the Razer Phone is a look into what's to come. In the event that you get one today, you can involvement and boast around a bit of innovation that may show up in many telephones not far off. A screen that invigorates 120 times each second. It improves utilizing the whole telephone. It's the contrast between swiping down a foggy site page and one that has completely clear content you can really read as it passes by. When I tap the screen to dispatch an application or associate with a diversion, it feels speedier than some other telephone I've attempted. Not on account of the processor is speedier, but rather on the grounds that the screen demonstrates the outcome snappier than different gadgets. The Razer Phone is the first to offer a 120Hz screen. Contenders are for the most part a large portion of that speed, and like Apple's Retina display before pixel-thick screens were the standard, it's difficult to backpedal once you've attempted it. In any case, in most different ways, the Razer Phone doesn't exactly feel like a $700 or £700 handset. The plan, the highlights, battery life and particularly the camera aren't comparable to the most recent iPhone, Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel. In the US, this GSM Just telephone won't work with CDMA transporters like Verizon or Sprint, and nowadays you can get a great deal for many dollars less with telephones like the OnePlus 5T, $614.49 at Amazon.com. So is it a gaming telephone? Not precisely. The Razer Phone is the main handset from gaming equipment maker Razer, whose mice, consoles, headsets, and PCs you may know. Be that as it may, similar to the organization's current Razer Blade Stealth, a thin workstation without an effective illustrations card inside, the Razer Phone isn't really intended for gaming. It plays all similar amusements you'd play on some other lead Android telephone, and you won't see better illustrations here. But I'd preferably play diversions on the Razer Phone than numerous different handsets. That 120Hz screen, joined with Razer's product, made for smoother, more responsive gaming sessions in a substantial number of the amusements I played. I beat my high score in Smash Hit the first occasion when I attempted.